I will talk about how can you enable activities push on your Goodnovel app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on profile down here, you just click on it. So when you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you click here on settings here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on push management here. You come here to so activities push, it's going to show for you like this. Click in this sign, like you see this color show for us as main activities push notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.